Guys, Jeffrey here with Gray's Tree and Landscape. We just pulled up to a job here at Irmo, South Carolina. We got 3 trees in the back, one with a real hard lean towards the house. The customer's worried, just with this rain and ice we've had. It's already starting to lean more, so we're gonna get that taken down. And then we got another big white oak that could possibly fall into the neighbor's property, so we're gonna drop that. I'm gonna show you all what we're working on today. Come along with us. Alright, I just got my face cut out. As you can see here how clean the cut is. You want them to meet from the top to the bottom. And plunge cut, I'm going to be boring into the tree instead of just cutting from the back. And this will prevent it from barber chairing and splitting open. So I'm going to do my plunge cut. And then it's got a trigger. So when I cut the trigger, it's going to release and the tree's just going to go. Pull rope on my throw line so I can pull it up the tree. A fancy knot here. We'll keep this out. Put your tail in. Alright, then you're going to run this through the loop and pull it. Then it cinches up on itself. Alright, this tree's got a super hard lean towards the house. I'm going to use my face cut and my hinge wood and some wedges to crank it this way. We have it redirected from that tree to the tractor in the driveway. So, here we go.